guys, welcome back to the Airtrains95 YouTube channel. If you're new around here, I'm Airtrains95 and that's that. Today we are back at Wycombe railway station today, because today we're just going to do some train spotting, but according to the real-time trains and open train times, there is a special movement today. I'm not sure exactly which one. I'm not sure. I know what time it is. I'm just not sure what it is. But I'm not certain. But what I can tell you is that it's a special movement. He's going. Anyway, I'm not going to spoil that bit. You'll see it in the video later on, or it might be the thumbnail of the video. But either way, enjoy the video. And first up, arriving on platform 2 is the 13:45 Chiltern Railway service from London Marylebone to Aylesbury, 165010. This one is 2A32. I'm not sure what that is in the thing. Two Alpha 32 is what this one is. I was trying to remember what the A was. One 165010 to Aylesbury. There goes 165010 from London Marylebone to Aylesbury Vale Parkway. That is 2 Alpha 32. Right, now passing is London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street, 165030. That was 165030, 165037 from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street. That was 1 Romeo 34. Right, now pulling in is 165028 from Aylesbury to London Marylebone. I don't know why my gimbal isn't responding. There you go, 165015 to London. Right, now just pulling in is 1 Tango 35 on the 1416 Chiltern Railway service from London Marylebone to Oxford, calling at Bicester Village and Islip, 165021. Hang on. I'm not used to this camera. I'm not used to this thing yet. Sorry, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. Wait. There we go. 165.021 and 165.014 from London Marylebone to Oxford. 165.018, 165.018, 165.001 and 165.006 has just pulled in. That train that's just pulled in on platform 3 is the 1419 Chiltern River service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone, 1 Hotel 45. Okay, now passing platform 2 is 5 Delta 03 on the quite delayed 1404 passing service from Wembley to Burton. It's a 68014 hauling the new Mark 3s, I believe. And on the end is 82305. Going from Wembley to Burton West Yard, almost at London Marylebone. Anyway, so we've just left Wycombe railway station. It's just round that corner there. Well, it's just up that hill. But I do want to say I'm glad that I didn't end up going to central London today. I was going to, but with it being Sunday, there was no real point. But I'm going to spin the camera around so you can see exactly what's going on in central London right now with the tube. So currently with the tube in central London, so Circle Line has a park closure on the entire line. District is completely screwed because it's park closed between Edgware Road and High Street, Kensington. It's got minor delays between Turnham Green and Richmond and Upminster and Dagenham East. You've got severe delays between Earl's Court and Wimbledon. And you've got a part suspension between Earl's Court and Kensington Olympia. The DLR is park closed between Shadwell and Tower Gateway. Elizabeth Line does a reduced service between Heathrow Terminal 4 and Paddington and Maiden and Paddington. So Lizzie Line's a little bit screwed up. Hammersmith City Line, there's a park closure on the entire branch, on the entire line. Lioness Line reduced service between Kilburn High Road and London Euston. That's not ideal. You've got park closure between Baker Street and Aldgate on the Metropolitan Line. That's standard. That's usually what happens on the Met Line. You've got Mildmay Line, which has reduced service between Wilson Junction and Camden Road. Park closure between Clapham Junction and Willesden Junction, and minor delays on the entirety on the rest of it. Just before I continue, here is 889 B62 JZJ on the 1 to Hemel Hempstead. And here's 482 on the 32A. Anyway, the Suffragette line, or Suffragette, whatever you call it, is park closed between Barking Riverside and Barking, so it's entirely screwed on that side. Waterloo and City Line has a park closure on the entire line, so it's effectively, half of London is effectively screwed. But there's a good service on the other lines, or other sections of the lines that are fucked. But yeah. Anyway, so that was trains at Wycombe plus a few TfL disruptions, which aren't necessary, but but because London Marylebone is part of the Chiltern Main Line, I thought to just add that bit in at the end, just to show you guys, because I was going to go central London, but I checked that and I'm glad I didn't, and you guys can see why, because most of the tube lines are screwed. But anyway, with that note, I want to say thank you guys for watching that video. If you liked it, then punch that thumbs up button in the face like a boss. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And guys, thank you guys, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video.